Hello everybody, in this video I will be back testing the Dow Jones US30 on, I believe this is Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. Without further ado, let's start. So the first thing I like to do is I go on the 1 hour and I get the trend with the line trend like this. So we can see that it's clearly an uptrend, and then I draw a trend box to define the uptrend. Second thing I like to do is I like to go on the 30-minute and I like to get the key levels, but I will move this a little bit more so I'm closer to market open. So the key levels are very simple. We can clearly see a sell-off right here. I will put a liquidity rectangle right here. I'm looking possibly to take the longs because I am trading with the trend. And then the next thing I will do is get more key levels. So the next key level will be this one. This will be my first area of interest to go long at. So here is where I will be putting my key level. I'm gonna go on the 15-minute now to get more key levels. I also see another level down here, which is mostly a last key level. So I'm gonna make this blue, and ultimately more liquidity down here. I'm looking forward for this type of setups, and intraday I will look for another setup that I call a change of character. So this is my setups for now. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm looking for longs at this level, at this level, and at this level. And if I zoom it in, it looks something like this. So I will place alerts here and wait for price to come here, give me the right candle. After that, if the candle is right, of course, I will get in. So I like to go on the 1 minute and I will unstretch this, and I will simply make this more detailed right here, okay? So we know it is an uptrend, therefore we're looking for longs at these levels. Right, without further ado, let's start. So let's see how this played out. So the first candle is a fat red candle crossing support. I am not looking for longs just yet. Is continuing to go down. At this point, it has fully broken that level. There is nothing that can happen that for me to change to go long because it had already closed under this support. So my next level will be this one, unless this level right here gets broken for the upside, and this will define a change of character, and then I will do another scenario, but let's focus on the current. Okay, so in here you can see that engulfing and everything, but the level has been breached. I do not like this because the key level got breached, so I will pass on this setup. All right, just what I thought. It's likely to continue going down. All right, the next key level is this one. It has not been hit just yet, so I need the price to literally come in like this and then get out. That's what I want to see from my last key level, right? I'm pretty sure this looks really good on the 2 minute. Okay, it's all right. Let's see the 3 minute. Okay, in the 3 minute, this looks great, but we're missing the key level aspect. So again, I will pass on this setup right here. See what happens. Okay, that is why I did not take this trade, because it is not at a key level. This one got broken and this one has not been hit despite showing good candles like the hammers. I did not trade this. However, now we're getting closer and it has not hit it just yet. Now there's a clear resistance right here. So this is moved to the change of character like this. I will remove this one. And if this gets broken, I will then do something else. I'll wait for it. Okay. Now the key level got breached, okay? This candle, we have to be very cautious with this candle. Why? Because this candle has a very thick body of 17 points and a wick of 13 points. Therefore, this is not a valid candle to go long at. If you go into the set 2-minute time frame, this is a great candle. Why? Because you have this right here, 14 wick and only 5 for the body. So this is great. On the 2-minute candle, I'll be entering some longs. And now it will look something like this. You can do possibly here. I'll be a little bit. 3R is pretty good. About 66 pips. 3R, risking 200 bucks to make 600 and something dollars. This is how the trade will look. Let's see how it played out. Okay. Boom. And this would have hit take profit. Now, the reason that I took this trade is very simple. I already planned it, right? Like you guys saw everything, but it's simple. It's this what I call a 7x7 pullback longs. We have uptrend, 1 hour. We have a last key level on the 15-minute, and we have a 2-minute red hammer. The 7x7, it's on my YouTube. You can find it. I explain it very well. How to chart, how to make the key levels, and ultimately the signal to enter the trade. At this point, I will be done trading simply because if I score the first one, such as if my first trade is a winner, that's it. I'm just done trading for the day. I would like to see how far this trade would have went just for back testing purposes. And yeah, it ended up hitting high of the day right here, which is also another great take profit. This is high of the day. But again, I had a 3-hour trade. Let's not be greedy. I still made $600. I take that any day of the week. So well guys, I maybe could have made a little bit more, like 100 points. That is fine. Yet this is how I would have traded Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I'll gladly answer them. Take care.